Hello guys, welcome back to the ModWatches channel. Welcome to another video, and here we have another Seikomod in my hand here, which I've been working on for the last couple of days. And this one here is the Seiko Datejust with the gold fluted bezel, and we've put this on a very nice black rubber strap, as you can see here. And we've applied a gold fixture clasp to this on the back. And yeah, so this particular piece is in the 39mm case size. It comes with a fluted bezel in gold. We also have it on the gold casing as well. It has a date complication here on the right hand side at 3 o'clock. And we have a very subtle and clean looking Seiko dial, as you can see right here. If I can just bring this into focus. There we are. So this one comes with an exhibition back on the rear as well, as you can see, with the Seiko branding. And I'm just going to show you the clasp as well. Take that off. Really nice gold colored clasp. And of course now I'm just going to take this watch through its paces and show you that it is fully working. So we are going to unscrew the crown, as you can see, pull it out twice, and that will allow you to change the timing on this. As you can see, it goes very nice and smooth. And if you also do want to change the date, first of all, it will change on its own when you go past the 12 o'clock mark. But if you do want to change it, you can pull the crown out once, and you will be able to change the date as well, as you can see. So once you screw this crown back in, it will have a lined gasket in there, which means that it's going to stop any water going in, which therefore means that it is also waterproof. The waterproof rating on this watch and all my Seiko mods is currently at 30 meters. So you can splash about in the water, absolutely no problem with that, but just do not go diving in the water. Of course, you probably wouldn't be doing that anyway with a watch like this. Okay, so this particular variant is available. You can grab this for yourself using the link in the description below. You can check out the price as well for this. If you do want to create something which is similar to this, but not these exact colors, or you want it in silver or something like that, hit us up on that same link. It's just a WhatsApp channel. Let me know what you're looking for, and I will be more than happy to build it for you. All of the deliveries in the UK are free, so if you do want to grab this piece, we can ship it out to you with next day free delivery. If you're outside the UK, we do shipping to the US for a small fee, and if there's anywhere else in the world, we can ship there as well, but the fee will depend on your country. So this piece is available on its own. If you want to grab this piece, just the watch, that's fine. We also do this as part of a gift pack as well, and we do have a couple of these left in stock. So if I can just show you what you get in the gift pack. First of all, you're going to receive a leather watch pouch. And this watch roll or watch pouch is used to store your watch in if you're traveling around or something like that, or just to keep it safe. This is a great item that you're going to get in the gift pack. Another thing that you're going to get in the gift pack is the watch itself will come in a premium leather box like this one here. Usually if you don't select the gift pack, we send the watch out in a small tin container. It's just a container that we receive the parts in, so we just reuse that, and we keep it in there, and that's obviously nice. But if you are gifting to somebody, or you want to have a premium unboxing experience, then of course you do want to go for this showcase box here. The gift pack is an extra £35 at this moment in time, so if you do want to purchase that, just make sure you let us know when you're purchasing the watch, and we can add that in for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please let us know. Subscribe to the channel. I've got more Seiko mods and G-Shock mods coming up, And also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.